Hello everyone, my friends. After watching this video, you will be able to know the prediction of Nifty on Monday, 18th of October 2021. So here in front of your screen, there is a chart of Nifty and on daily time frame basis, let's plot this channel. So friends, as you can see that the Nifty is moving in this channel, in a upside channel, and I have already told so many times that whenever price moves in a uptrend, we have to look for the buying opportunities. Okay, people who look for selling opportunities in such uptrend channel will be trapped most of the times. Okay, so now we'll see what all things we have to keep in mind while trading on Monday. So let's come to 15-minute chart. So friends, there are three possibilities that the market may open gap up, flat or gap down. We will discuss all these three possibilities one by one. So my friends, if the market open at a gap up level around here or at any point above this level, then do not rush to buy. If the market start making green candle, red candle, green candle, and then red candles, you have to wait for a range at some point. For example, market is creating a range over here, then to make a rectangle over here and wait for the breakout to the upper side or to the lower side. So the point is, do not just enter into the trade when the market opens. And friends, when the market open gap up, do not prefer to sell in this because when you see the daily chart of Nifty, it's going in a uptrend. And friends, until and unless this channel breakouts and start making candles into a different direction, we do not have to plan for the selling opportunities. So until this range is followed by the Nifty, we have to look for the buying opportunities in this chart. Whenever the price reaches to this line, we have to look for the buying opportunities like at this point, at this point, at this point. Okay, so whenever the price comes near this line, we have to look for the buying opportunities. So friends, now you know that what to do if the market open gap up. So now let's discuss what to do if the market open flats in this range. So friends, when the price start forming within this range and start breaking this range, making another range, then we have to wait for the breakout like this. If the price moves like this, break this range and then break this range also, and then we will wait for the retest and will make a buy position here. So what if the price breaks to the downside? Then we should wait for a retest like this and then we'll take our position at this point. I always suggest to wait for a retest of the price. Do not just take a trade at the first breakout because that might be a trap. And friends, when the market open flat and start making candles to the downside, then this is what I'm looking for on Monday because the market is already very stressed. As you can see, there is a possibility of a correction of 5 to 10% in the market. So I'm looking for a selling opportunity here. So the level is first this and second this. So my first target is going to be this level, which is 18195.35, and my second target will be this, which is 18043.25. And friends, once the price start coming to this level, for example like this, then we should either book our profits here or we should start trailing our stop loss to the profit side because as you can see there is a support here, right? So there are higher chances that the market will create volatility here and then make a range here, and then we should wait for the breakout of this range. it might break to the upside or it might break to the downside. So we have to take the trade after a range of 15 to 30 minutes and wait for the breakout. So friends, till now you must know that what to do if the market open flat. So now let's discuss what to do if the market open at a gap down position. Like the market has been closed previous on a previous day here, then the gap down will be like it might be here, it might be here. When the market will open at a gap down, we will look for the selling opportunities, right? For example, the price start moving like this, then we have to wait for the right time. Like we have to wait for a range to form and then we'll trade at its breakout or we'll trade the trend breakout. Because in option buying, we only have to trade the breakouts because they will give a fast price movement. So my friends, I hope all the three situations are clear to you. If the market open gap up, what you have to do? If the market open flat, what you have to do? And if the market open a gap down, then what's our plan? I hope all these situations are clear to you. If you still have any doubt, please join our channel and ask there. And friends, to get such knowledgeable videos and to develop your bank balance and the knowledge, you can join our Telegram channel. I'm posting the link of Telegram channel in the description. You can join from there and you can also comment here on YouTube asking your doubts on my analysis or on the trading setup. Thank you guys. Keep earning, keep learning. See you in the next video.